What's going on YouTube? Dio, aka Bonds, Urban Tech Reviews, and today on the channel I'll be doing an unboxing of Cyberlink Powerdirector 16 Ultimate. Alright, now you can get this at bestbuy.com for $129.99, $130. Alright, now what this is it's a video editing software. Alright, now you see you can edit 360 video, 3D video, HEVC, H.265 video. You can edit Ultra HD 4K, HAVC, S, and speed up to 64-bit. Alright, now it says the #1 choice for video editors, and this one is the ultimate, so it comes with a bonus Audio Director 7 extreme audio editing software also. Alright, now if you look at some of the things on the side, the minimum system requirements is operating system. You need to at least have Microsoft Windows 10, 8.1, or 8 or 7. Alright, screen resolution has to be 1024 by 768, 16-bit color or above. Memory, you have to at least have 2 gigabytes is required, but 6 gigabytes or above is recommended. Alright, processor, your CPU, it says you need an Intel Core i-Series or AMD Phenom 2 and above. Graphics card, GPU, you need standard video 128 megabytes VGA, VRAM or higher. 360-degree video, Director 10 or 11 compatible. Hard disk space, you need 7 gigabytes for program and content pack installation. And a burning drive, it supports recordable drive is required for burning disks. Sound card, you need Windows compatible sound card, and internet connection required for all initial software activation, some file format activation, and online services. Alright, now on the back it says it gives you a couple different things that you can do. It gives you 25 gigabytes of free cloud storage. It's a digital copy, and there's also a free digital copy of Powerdirector. Comes with every box purchase. Premium plugins, it includes Pro Design, effect, and template packs from leading plugin makers. So we done looked all through the box. Now you open this up, and it gives you a whole bunch of different things that you can do. True 360 video editing, you can import 360 video, color match, Eclipse premium effect plugin, easy multicam editing, create family movies fast, 3D video stabilization. You can edit with the green screen on here. One-click color enhancement, vertical video creations, action camera, so if you got a GoPro, something like that, pro color grading, extreme rendering performance. Alright, but I'm gonna open this up and check it out, see what all comes in here. So you gotta get us that little lip. Once you get that little lip, you good. Alright, so if you open it up, really light box. Really don't feel like there's anything in there. Really just get some paperwork. So I'm trying to get it all out. But it just keeps sliding. Dang, it wasn't even that important. It was just the fact that I didn't want that thing defeating me. Alright, So it's just some paperwork right here. Quick start guide. And then right here you get Powerdirector 16 Ultimate and Powerdirector 16 Ultimate. This is disc 1 and this is disc 2. So disc 1 is the software and users guide, and disc 2 is extra content. Alright, so it says please make sure that you install disc 1 before installing this disc. Alright, so I'll do a review probably in a week or two. You know what I mean? I'll try out the software, see if I like it, see if it's user friendly, see if it's something that the average Joe could just hop in and start using, or if it's, you know, something complicated that might take some time or some take some getting used to. Alright, but it's DO aka Bonds, Urban Tech Reviews. If you like this video, click that thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to this channel, you can do that easily by clicking on the little Android down in the bottom right hand corner of your screen. If you're not following me on all my social media sites, all you got to do is click the description, go into the description, click every one of those links. You can follow me on every one of my social media sites. And we out.